channel Technomintra. Today we are going to learn about Microsoft Word. What we will say about Microsoft Word? Microsoft Word is that in which we are working every day almost. We are preparing some documents on the computer, we are making our resumes, we are making some projects, we are making some Word files or some essay we are writing on the computers. So it's a very effective tool to design a document that performs spelling checking and language structure. Basically, it's a software developed by Microsoft and it enables us to write write-ups, create documents, resumes, report, research, projects, type books, magazines, etc. It allows user to type and save the document. Basically, the main feature of the word processing are it type the text and insert the picture. It highlight the important words or line. It can change the format. So basically over here we are going to learn how we can open a new Word file. So this is the way you can make a new file. Now you just have to right click and over here you can see the new document has been opened. So basically I was just telling that it is basically used for spelling checkings and grammar. We can even add the page numbers, we can add margins in a page, we can insert, we can delete, move, copy, direct. Basically these are used in offices, homes and schools. Now if you see this, so over here at the top you can see some options like save option, undo, redo, and then over here a title bar where the name of the document has been displayed. You can even later on change it by going to the file and then we can say save as. Then you can see different tabs are there, like file. In this you can see many options when I just click right now earlier. Then in the home tab you can see all these groups. Then in the insert you can see you can add tables, pictures, shapes, smart shape, charts and all those things, header and footer, page number. Then this is a design layout in which you can type different type of designs. Then page layout, like how much line indentation or margins you want, how many columns you want while writing. There are the references, then mailing, then review and then view. So you can see there are different tabs and in all the tabs different options are there. So next over here you can see this white area is a work area where we write or type the document. Then over here you can see the bars, that are basically rulers I should say, that is for ruling the page, horizontal as well as vertical. And on the right hand side you can see a scroll bar, but if your page will be big from right to left also, then there will be a down at the bottom also a bar. So over here you can see page number written, number of words typed till now. You can even zoom in and zoom out. So this is the basics of Word document. Now for creating a Word file, first basically you have to do file and say new. When you go over here you can see a blank document. Other documents are also there but we need a blank one, so we'll say blank and you can see over here Word document has been created. For example, I just write my name. So you can see my name has been written. So if I want to change the font, so I will just select it using left click and then from here, for example, I just want Vidana and then I can even change the font. So you can say font has been changed. You can apply bold feature to it, italics to it. You can even underline the content you have written. Over here you can even change the color, so you can say it has been changed to. And from here also you can reduce the size as well as you can increase. And over here if you see there are many options like how you can write your letters, okay. And over here if you see, these are when you will be using mathematical equation or something, when you want the power or the base value. So and this over here if you see, if I write my full name over here, so you can see when I am writing my full name I just select it. So there are various options. Sentence case, in which only Ankita Agarwal, only first letter will come, it's already written. Lowercase, everything will be in the lower. Uppercase, everything in upper. Then and capitalize each word, so Ankita A and Agarwal A will be capital. In the toggle, the first word of each letter will be small, rest will be big. So this is the way. Other than that, for example, if I write that Ankita is a girl or a boy, so I have written 2 points. Now I want them to be written in the form of points. So over here bullets are there. These are in the form of unordered. That means there is no sequence. So you can put dot or like this, anything you can put. The other one is like in the form of sequence. So over there the numbers will come like this, or it will be alphabetical or Roman numbers. Then over here indent, these are the alignments, like how you can align it to the left, align it to the right, then like this, or in the everything in like this. And over here spacing is there, so you can increase or decrease the spacing the way you want, and you can even remove it. Over here if you will see, there you can apply the border, top border or bottom border, the left line. So over like this you can apply the border to your table or your content. Over here when you write some data, for example I want in the form of I need to do the sorting, maybe alphabetically from A to Z or Z to A, so this way you can do. So if I do, the B will come first, so boy, and then B alphabet come first in alphabets, and then G, so boy is written first and then girl. So like that you can do. So over here you can find and replace some word. For example, if I want wherever Ankita is written, it has to be replaced by Neha, so that I can do. Even I can delete the text for that. For example, I selected girl, and then you can from a keyboard either you can press backspace, or other way you can do is delete also. Okay, so these are the small options. Already I have told you, from here you can go to the file and you can say save as. For example, I want it to be placed on the desktop, and I just want to say, like over here they have written, so I just want the document to be saved by the name, for example word1 dot docx. Now you should remember that Word document should be saved by this. So this is the way you can even save the document. So over here now we can see it has come by this name. So these are the basic things of learning Word. In the next video maybe we'll be covering about all of the tabs and whatever options are there. So thanks for viewing my channel. Thanks a lot. Please like and subscribe my video, as well as please subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot.